Elect the sheriff. Like you, brother. Yes, sir. Now I know why you were so bent on heading for Santa Fe. That girl is as dirty as
What in your hand?
I'll leave in the first place.
Big fella?
Yeah.
You know something, big brother? Fella here narrow between your eyes gal's gonna be causing you a lot of trouble. She's pretty. That can stop the best of men from thinking straight. Even you.
And I think Santa Fe needs a sheriff for all the people. Well, that's just about all I gotta say. Except if I'm your sheriff, I'm gonna do the best job I can. Thank you.
What's this one? What is it, huh?
Anyone can fall in love with a brand new car. But keeping that flame burning for over a decade?
Nature Valley Protein Bars.
Thank you, Orville and reliability. The bar may have been set over there, but when it comes to raising it, we'll take it from here. The award-winning Chrysler lineup. Right now, get 0% financing for up to 72 months on Chrysler vehicles.
Put that loaf of bread in there.
These days, a small business can save by sharing, like carpools.
Polly wants to know if we can pick her up.
Real good.
Office space.
We're loving this communal seating. Oh, it's great.
The best thing to share, a data plan. AT&T Mobile Share for Business. 1 bucket of data for everyone on the plan. Unlimited talk and text on smartphones. Now, everyone's in the spirit of sharing.
Hey, can I borrow your boat this weekend?
No. Share more, save more. AT&T Mobile Share for Business.
Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. Yeah! So that's our loyalty program. You're automatically enrolled, and the longer you stay, the more rewards you get. Great. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you.
Isn't there a simpler way to explain the loyalty program?
Yes.
Standing by you from day one. Now that's progressive.
Some lucky dogs have that.
McElhaney. This horse is 11-1. You know, ran a decent race last time and split the field in with a bad start. Yeah, and the second place finisher came back to win. The 11, taking money on the outside for Nick Gonzalez and Eureka Rosa da Silva. He's very good with his 2-year-olds.
Yeah, pay attention to that. That horse was 8-1 morning line, down to 7-2 now, so pay attention to the tote. We'll get back to that race coming up in a moment. We're going to send it out now to the Jersey Shore. Tom Cassidy and Brad Thomas.
Guys, thank you very much. Back here at Monmouth Park, we have race number 6 coming up. It starts the Pick 5 sequence this afternoon, and pleased to be sitting next to Morning Line Odds Maker Track handicapper Brad Thomas. Brad, good day, sir. Good day, Tom. How's it going? All right. Fast and firm, rail at 0 feet on the turf course.